Hello viewers, this is a Holmes twin window fan, model number HAWF2030, and this is in condition used in box. So let's take this out here. It's got styrofoam on it, which makes some of the most unpleasant sounds in the planet. Just had the pleasure of hearing. We have one of the side panels. I don't know if this would have originally come with two or not. And we have the manual. Okay. This does not have self-standing feet. Okay, so here's the fan itself. It's probably has the side panel here that extends. It looks to be in good condition. And this, in theory, just kind of, well, you would put it on this way, depending on which direction you have the fan in the window. 2 speeds, thermostat. It's got quite a range to it. Oh my goodness. Don't need this for the testing. As for condition, it's not too bad. Probably was used in a house with an animal because there does appear to be some hair in there. Definitely use a good cleaning, but I don't think it's anything too abnormal. 0906, so this is actually about 8 years old. It's a lot older than I thought it was. I believe they still make this model. I looked on Amazon. I think it sells for about $40. So these, these weren't cheap fans. Just for the video, I'm going to put it like this because it kind of stands better that way. So, polarized plug, no fuse, so I guess it would be older. Let's go ahead and plug it in. This is not the manual, actually. This is just the warranty information. Or is it the manual? I guess it is the manual. It's one page. Okay. It only lists one extender panel here, so maybe that's all it came with. Well, anyways, let's turn it on. Start off on low. And the thermostat is probably cut off or it's broken. There it goes. Oh wow, it's got the classic Holmes sound to it. We used to have one of these fans. It wasn't like this. It was, actually I have it over here, but I take forever to show. It was the one with the purple blades. And the last house we lived in, the windows didn't open wide enough to put a box fan in. So I always used one of these, that window fan. And I can't tell you how many hundreds of summer nights I spent with that fan in the window, making this very sound. It's kind of vibrating on the table, so we'll try to see if this weighs any better. That'll work. So these fans are relatively small. I think they're only 6-inch fans. Yeah, they're 6-inch fans. So although the velocity of the air is pretty good, standing in front of it here we get a good breeze. The actual volume of air movement is relatively low. And so I find these things aren't super effective unless you're in a very small room. Let's go to high. It sounds exactly like the one I used to have. It's definitely got a good air velocity. I just don't think the CFM rating on these is too high, just naturally from them being smaller fans. Thermostat seems to work. Of course, it's anyone's guess as to how accurate it is. There's no temperature rating on it, so I don't really know its accuracy level, but it's there and it probably works just fine. Let's cut it off now. You know, this is another switch that's kind of stupid. What is it with Holmes and their switches? I guess if this was in a window, I guess it's not so bad. Kind of see the spin down time not too well. Oh, it's going to stand like that? Okay, great. Well, anyway, so there it is. We'll do a clean and service on this, and I plan to use this up in the computer room.